Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I have a cute Amazon find for all moms out there. So let's do a quick unbox of these adorable girls footwear from Freeplay. First, let's open the packages. The packaging is simple and but neat. Inside we have two styles, Festive Jutis and low base chic sandals. First impression, they look super pretty and festive, perfect for weddings, function or even festivals like Diwali. Let's talk about these beautiful jutis. Stylish ethnic slip on jutis perfect for festivals wear and wedding. These come with soft inner lining, very comfortable for kids, lightweight design, easy to wear all day and slip on style. Now moving to these stylish sandals, Freeplay low base chic sandals for girls, rupees 839. Trendy low base sandal with comfortable fit for casual and party wear. These are trendy, modern, easy slip on style, comfortable sole for daily wear, and perfect for casual outings, birthday parties, or even school function. As a mom, my main concern is always comfort and durability. Both pairs are lightweight, good grip, and flexible sole, and budget friendly option. Honestly, for this price range, the quality is really impressive, and kids love stylish footwear, so this is a win-win. These are easily available on Amazon, and I will share the link in description box. If you are looking for adorable, stylish, comfortable footwear for girls, they you can definitely check these out. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more honest mom reviews. See you in the next video.